Discord seems to be giving away free 1-month Nitro so you can buy their decors from their shop. I will show you exactly how to claim it, but before that, I run a server called Pixie. It has all the high-quality server decors and layouts you need. We even have different channels like banners, dividers, and so on. The server is highly advanced with all the new techniques and technologies and advanced verification system to keep our members safe. We also do Discord Nitro giveaways. My servers currently has over 12,000 members and they increase every day. If you want to join my server, go to any of my videos description, there you will find the invite link. You can join us to make friends, mental health, and for decors and layouts, or just come check us out. And oh, we also have an Instagram page called Pixie_YT, so make sure to follow it to get Nitro related updates. You can also enjoy all the artworks. Just click try 1 month free button to claim your free Nitro. I want to make it clear that I don't decide who will get the free trial offer, it's Discord that decides. They pick anyone at random. Secondly, you will require payment method. You don't need to worry about paying though. It's free. There I have it. I have claimed the free Nitro. Now let's boost the server twice. As of now, the Nitro you have received is free, but from next month on, Discord will start charging money from you. Therefore, you need to remove the payment method and cancel the subscription. So just go to your server settings. You have to also remove the billing info in billing section. And after that, you will notice that I still have Nitro, but I won't be charged from next month after my free Nitro expires. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe, and I want to thank Monica for helping me put together this video.